Welwa, yangibona ukuthi ngizamile kodwa.
Hey ngiyakubona mfethu ukuthi uyibhinqa usushoda ngendoda yomZulu. Ngishada ngendoda unayo yini?
Sisi, mina nawe. What is up, Unity Leagues? My name is K Miles, K Kansas, Casey Limo Kansas child. Idlunkulu, Yankami Records. How are you, Landlunkulu?
Ngiyaphila. I am super excited.
Right?
Yeah.
You should be. Namhlanje sikwakho celebrating album launch yamaciko, your album that's dropping midnight. How do you feel?
I'm super excited, guys. I can't wait for everybody to stream the album and come back with their favorite song.
Yeah. Speaking of favorite songs, when ayiphi ohamba nayo, yabo le oshoyo ukuthi yabo nje. This December, it's Hegwin noma yikuphi nje. People are going to be vibing to it.
Ngasho ukuthi njengoba ngile eThekwini ngenze album launch, ngeza futhi nalana ngenze album launch. Ngasho ukuthi abantu bagijima nedolobheni, but my personal favorite song is Ngizobonga, because I honestly appreciate God for everything He's done for me, and namhlanje angizange ukuzocela lutho, but I'm here to just say thank you God for everything you've done for me.
And for someone who's watching this right now, agazi ukuthi what to expect, can you please just give them an insight of some of the features that are on the album?
So on this album I've got Daniel Devs, I've got Poshani Mzansi, I've got Saliwa, I've got, oh my God, Sogozan Langa, yes.
Mahaunai from Umnagoetsu, she's also there.
Yes, and I've got the lady, the one and only Mahu.
Yeah, welwa, yangibona ukuthi ngizamile kodwa.
Hey ngiyakubona mfethu ukuthi uyibhinqa usushoda ngendoda yomZulu. Ngishada ngendoda unayo yini?
Sisi, mina nawe ngathi sesicedile lana. Kodwa akusenani.
It's alright. Akudankinga sisomdala. Kodwa mawuyifuna hayi ungitshele sisi.
Sokwazisa siswami.
Ngizamela lapha encabination.
Alright. Cha ungizamela impela. Yeah, cool. Anything you'd like to say to the people that came to support you here today?
I'd like to say I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. Please don't stop, because every time I drop something, every time I've got an event, I will send those invites, and my expectation will just be able to you guys pull up for me. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope niphatheke kahle, because that's the most important thing.
Thank you so much, Lwa. Please give a shout out to Yano Lyrics.
Shout out to Yano Lyrics!